Vivo is gearing up to launch the Vivo V50 smartphone in India. The brand has already released the first teaser of the phone. New Vivo V50 poster hints on February 18th launch date. The Vivo V50, a rebranded version of the Vivo S20, which has launched in China. The device comes in 3 color variants: deep blue, gray, and shimmery white. The oval-shaped camera module has 2 cameras followed by a ring LED flash, including a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP front-facing camera for selfies. The phone features a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 power the device, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The device runs FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15. Device come with a larger 6,500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.